How to invite friends to Line. Looking to invite friends to Line? Here's how to invite friends to Line. This is a simple process, so watch the video till the end so that you don't miss any of it. First, open Line app. Now on the home screen, you can see Add Friends icon right here. Tap on Add Friends. Now you'll see several ways to invite friends, like you can see QR code and invite via link, and you can just see auto add friends. This means auto add contacts as friends. If you tap on allow, then here your contacts will be added to your friends. You can also create a group right from here. You can create a group. Now in order to invite your friends, tap on invite. You can invite your friends via text message or email, WhatsApp and Facebook. Let me add from Facebook. Tap on OK and tap on open, and just from here you can send the invitation link to your friend by tapping on paste, and just send it from here. Once then they will be getting a link and they can add you from there. The next thing you can do is tap on QR code and just enter the QR code from their photo album or from gallery, and from there your friends will be added in your friend list. And that's it. That's how you invite friends to Line. Easy, fast and fun. If this was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and comment below with your favorite invite method. Thank you for watching.